Oh my god. The first recipe we're going to attempt to follow by cooking mama is called fried chicken, and this is essentially chicken nuggets. I'm gonna do my best at following this in real time, so as the game moves along I will try to do it with the same speed, but it might not always happen, so I might be a little slow, but I'm gonna give it my very best. Like, I will actually try to do a great job. It's not perfect, but this is kind of what the game setup looks like, so... Okay. I know I need the chicken. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. No! No! Okay. And then one time like that. That was way too fast. Wait. Oh my god, this is... Why is it going so fast in the game? Wait. No! Did we even get some ginger? Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, this one goes first, and this one goes second. Oh my god. That's it? Is that it? Yay! We did one in real time for once. Okay. We have to move it like that. Wait, like this. Like that. And like that. This is so specific. Oh my god, this is the dumbest thing I've ever done. This is so stupid. It looks the same as before. Okay, here we go. Okay. Doesn't work. Okay, out. In. Oh, no! No! Where did that come from? I think I'm getting it all wrong. Okay, out. I only have one left. Okay, done. Okay, let's do it. First one. Oh, holy schnitzel, that is very hot. Okay, that works a lot better in the game. Oh. Okay. How is she already removing it? It's not cooked. You're gonna get salmonellic poisoning, cooking mama. Okay, and that's the last one. And how does she have like 4 of them already cooked? Like, that doesn't make any sense. Mine is still pink. How did she already cook the whole thing? I don't fully understand, but we're gonna have to wait a little bit longer for these. I think this last step is not really a step. I think this is just literally the presentation. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, we finished with 100. I mean, I'm pretty sure I didn't finish with 100, but we need some broccoli, and I think it might be some lemon on the side. I mean, that kind of does look like the one in the photo, but also this went wrong in so many levels. So here we've got our cooking mama chicken, and I don't think it looks very much like the one in the video game. Also, this was the single most stressful cooking I've ever done because it was such a short period of time. But we're still gonna try it and see if mama makes any good chicken, at least the recipe. I was double checking to see if it's cooked. The panic in my eyes when I realized that, like, I didn't really check if it was cooked before. It tastes like pancakes. I mean, I like it. Is it like the best fried chicken ever? Not really. It tastes like gingerbread cookies and pancakes, but I do like it. It's an interesting take on chicken nuggets. For dessert, we're gonna be making a different recipe. We're gonna be making a tart, and we're actually gonna make the dough from scratch. This will be literally impossible. I don't even know why I'm attempting to do this. I do like it. It's a good snack. Should we just move on to the next recipe? As much as I enjoy this, I think we should go and make some dessert now. This is a recipe from Cooking Mama for a tart. This is actually a fruit tart, and this is gonna be incredibly difficult because we have to slice fruits and there's a lot of knife work. And if you know my knife skills, then no comment needed. So I think we should just go ahead and get started. So I think this is a setup. Let's just do it. Okay. The strawberry.
Awesome.
Okay. Wait. Oh, I need to remove the sides. Oh my god, I hate oranges. How did you do that? No! Okay, I'm just gonna do it slowly because a little more difficult than I thought this one. So here we go for the egg part. I think we might need a lot of eggs. I'm just prepared in advance. Okay, let's do this. Okay, crack the egg. Crack the egg. Oh my god. There's so many of them. Are we making an omelette or what? Oh no. How is she so fast? Oh, that was it. Might need to remove some eggshell, okay, we need some salt. Oh shoot, that was too much. What's that? Oh, cake flour. And then butter. And then last but not least, the powdered sugar. And that's it. Hey, we actually did one in real time. Okay, this way. Oh my god, I'm trying to break the butter. Okay. This way. And spin. Okay, I mean, Cooking Mama says done, but this doesn't feel done. Mama's gonna be so disappointed with me after this one, because this dough does not feel right. Okay, oh my god. That Mama makes it look so easy. Okay. Oh, now we're supposed to come this way. You know, Mama doesn't even have a parchment paper. How is it not sticking? Oh. 3, 2. Oh my god. That is literally what she's doing. What a sociopath. That does not work. I will need Shane Dawson to do a full series on Cooking Mama because she doesn't sound right. Oh, we have to be in the center. What is going on? Oh, I see. Okay. I don't have enough. Okay, I'm a little slow here. We're running a little behind. Oh my god. Okay, that's all we've got, like literally. This step at least we can do, which is just literally putting this in the oven. And then we wait. In the last step of the game, it just shows it ready. It doesn't show adding the fruits. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add all the fruits on top. I'm not even gonna try to make it look like the one in the game. Well, this really doesn't look like real food. Like, it's really bizarre. It looks like it's made of plastic. I was honestly so excited for dessert. And this is what we ended up with. I mean, weird things have happened on my channel. Maybe this will actually taste decent. I'm gonna remove the orange because I don't play with demons. I guess I'm gonna eat this like dessert nachos. Wow, this really went exactly as I expected. Oh my god. I think the word I'm looking for is doughy. It tastes very doughy, even though it's cooked. It's so dry because I added so much flour for it to become a dough. It's not terrible. I actually like the custard with the strawberries, minus the orange. This is actually not that bad. Would a normal, sane individual eat this? Probably not, but they also wouldn't attempt to make this video that I just did, so I truly had like the best intentions with this. I really wanted a nice dessert, but then things just started to like go wrong, and then a lot of the steps didn't make sense as well, so that's usually when I start losing the plot, and then I also start to lose interest in doing a good job, which is I think the biggest struggle in my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give the video a like. It means so much to me, especially when it's something experimental like today's video. And also don't forget to subscribe and switch my notifications on so you guys don't miss out on future videos. I really appreciate those of you who've got my notifications on. I say it in almost every video, but I truly wouldn't be able to make these videos and be able to afford to buy all this stuff for it if it wasn't for those of you who've got my notifications on. So thank you, those of you who've got the bell tapped on. Go and drop a bunch of like star emojis in the comment section if you're still here, if you made it throughout the mess that was this video. I honestly will be surprised if any of you guys do it. So I love you guys, I had a good time, I hope you had a good time, and I will see you on my next video, which is probably gonna be tomorrow, if I make it alive until tomorrow.